The world of cycling is undergoing rapid innovation as engineers, designers, and creative minds seek to enhance the performance, sustainability, and enjoyment of riding. From electric bikes to sustainable materials, the following 10 bicycles showcase groundbreaking ideas that are transforming the way we think about transportation, fitness, and the environment. Number 10. The Super 73 RX, a motorbike-inspired electric cruiser. One of the most iconic electric bikes on the market today is the Super 73 RX. Its design is inspired by classic motorcycles, offering a powerful yet eco-friendly alternative for modern commuting and recreational riding. The Super 73 RX comes with a 2,000-watt peak power motor, allowing it to reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour. This e-bike stands out not only for its performance, but also for its visual appeal, boasting fat tires, full suspension, and motorcycle-style aesthetics. Built for both city streets and off-road adventures, the Super 73 RX is perfect for riders seeking style, speed, and versatility. Its removable battery gives it a range of up to 75 miles per charge, making it ideal for longer rides or commutes. Number 9. Trifecta DRT, military-grade performance for everyday riders. The Trifecta DRT is a cutting-edge electric bike that has been designed with the precision and durability required for military operations. This bike features a lightweight aluminum frame and a 4-kilowatt motor, allowing it to reach speeds up to 45 km per hour, 28 miles per hour. What sets the Trifecta DRT apart is its advanced technology, regenerative braking, electronic gear shifting, and a sophisticated smartphone integration system. With its rugged build and high performance, the Trifecta DRT is more than just a commuter bike. It's a vehicle designed for extreme environments. It can tackle rough terrains with ease, making it a go-to option for off-road cycling enthusiasts who crave a blend of power and technology. Number 8. Mando Footloose, a chainless wonder. The Mando Footloose is a game-changer in the world of electric bikes, featuring a revolutionary chainless design that replaces the traditional drive system with cutting-edge technology. Instead of relying on a chain, this bike uses an advanced series of generators and electric motors, converting pedaling into electricity that powers the motor. This ensures a seamless, efficient, and low-maintenance ride, making it ideal for riders seeking an eco-friendly solution. Beyond its unique functionality, the Footloose, designed by the South Korean company Mando, is also foldable, making it an excellent choice for urban commuters who require a compact, easy-to-store option. With a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, this e-bike is both practical and sleek. Its lightweight, modern design appeals to eco-conscious riders looking for convenience without compromising on style or performance. Number 7. GoCycle G4, the future of folding e-bikes. The GoCycle G4 takes folding electric bikes to a whole new level, blending cutting-edge technology with sleek, user-friendly design. Crafted by former McLaren engineer Richard Thorpe, the bike's lightweight magnesium frame not only enhances portability, but also ensures a durable, robust build. Its front hub motor delivers a smooth, responsive ride, making it ideal for both daily commuting and leisurely rides. Weighing just 16.6 kilograms, about 37 pounds, the GoCycle G4 is perfect for city dwellers who need a high-performance, portable solution. One of its standout features is the innovative, seamless folding mechanism, which allows the bike to collapse in seconds for easy transport or compact storage in tight spaces like apartments or offices. With speeds reaching up to 20 miles per hour and a 40-mile range on a single charge, it's a versatile, eco-friendly option for both daily commuters and weekend adventurers. Plus, with integrated lights and app connectivity, the GoCycle G4 ensures riders stay safe and connected on the go, adding convenience and style to every ride. Number 6. VanMoof S5, the smartest electric bike for urban living. The VanMoof S5 stands at the forefront of electric bike innovation, combining smart technology with sleek urban design to offer a superior riding experience. With built-in anti-theft features, including location tracking and remote locking, riders can enjoy peace of mind while navigating busy city streets. Hydraulic brakes ensure smooth stopping power, while integrated front and rear lights enhance visibility for safer nighttime commuting. Beyond its stylish looks, the S5 packs serious performance with a powerful motor featuring turbo boost capabilities, making uphill climbs and longer distances a breeze. The VanMoof app allows riders to track their routes, monitor battery life, adjust riding settings, and even remotely lock the bike, offering unmatched convenience. With an impressive range of up to 93 miles, 150 kilometers, on a single charge, the VanMoof S5 delivers a perfect blend of cutting-edge tech, performance, and effortless urban mobility, making it one of the smartest choices for modern city commuters. Number 5. The Bamboo Bicycle. Sustainable and stylish. Bamboo bicycles are making waves as a sustainable alternative to traditional metal-framed bikes. Bamboo, which is a renewable and biodegradable resource, offers strength and flexibility comparable to steel, while providing excellent shock absorption. Companies like Boomers International and the Bamboo Bike Project have led the way in creating these eco-friendly bikes. Bamboo bicycles are particularly popular in areas where bamboo is abundant, like Ghana, where local communities benefit from both the production and use of these bikes. Lightweight and durable. Bamboo bikes offer a green alternative for cyclists who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. Number 4. Elliptigo, a hybrid of elliptical trainer and bicycle. For fitness enthusiasts, the Elliptigo is a dream come true, combining the low-impact workout of an elliptical trainer with the outdoor freedom of a bicycle. The upright position of the Elliptigo reduces stress on joints while allowing riders to get a full-body workout. The design eliminates the traditional seat and pedals, giving riders the sensation of running while riding. Elliptigo bikes come in various models, from street versions to off-road options, providing flexibility for all types of users. Whether you're looking to cross-train or simply enjoy a new way of cycling, the Elliptigo offers a unique and fun experience, blending fitness and adventure. Number 3. The Copenhagen Wheel, a smart upgrade for any bike. The Copenhagen Wheel, developed by MIT's Sensible City Lab, is an innovative device that can transform any standard bike into an electric-powered smart bike. The wheel houses a motor, batteries, and sensors that capture and store energy while you pedal. When you encounter hills or need extra assistance, the Copenhagen Wheel provides additional power. This smart wheel also connects to your smartphone, allowing you to customize your ride settings and track your performance. The Copenhagen Wheel offers an affordable and easy way to upgrade your current bike, turning it into a powerful e-bike with minimal effort. Number 2. Yuba Electric Cargo Bikes, carrying heavy loads with ease. Yuba is known for producing high-quality electric cargo bikes designed to carry everything from groceries to children. These bikes feature long racks and spacious frames that can handle significant loads, making them a great alternative to cars for short-distance errands or school runs. Yuba's cargo bikes are also equipped with powerful electric motors to help riders manage heavier weights without fatigue. The Yuba electric cargo bike lineup includes models that can carry up to 440 pounds of cargo. With their robust build, electric assist, and family-friendly features, these bikes are becoming increasingly popular among eco-conscious families and businesses. Number 1. Tern Get Stuff Done, the ultimate compact cargo bike. The Tern Get Stuff Done is a compact yet powerful cargo bike designed to make urban living easier. Despite its small size, the Get Stuff Done can carry 2 children, a week's worth of groceries, or up to 400 pounds of cargo, thanks to its innovative frame design. The bike is also fully electric, with a Bosch Performance Line motor providing the boost needed to carry heavy loads uphill or across long distances. One of the Get Stuff Done's standout features is its foldability, which allows it to be stored in tight spaces or transported easily in cars. It's a bike designed for modern families, urban professionals, or anyone who needs to transport heavy items but wants to avoid the hassle of a car. With a range of 70 miles on a single charge, the Tern Get Stuff Done is the perfect blend of utility, portability, and eco-friendliness. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible bikes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow cycling enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on innovative tech and transportation trends. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads.